Welcome to Fresh Sprouts Guide to growing your own sprouts in your kitchen all year round. Step 4. Place the sprouter. Step 4 is to find a good location in your kitchen for the sprout pearl so your sprouts can grow well. Sprouts thrive at normal kitchen temperature. In the windowsill, it is often either too hot due to sun or too cold due to drafts. But your sprouts love to be placed on your kitchen counter in light shade. And if you place them close to the kitchen sink, you can easily rinse the sprouts morning and evening. Once you have found a good location, your sprouts will grow at their own calm pace. Happy sprouting!